Joe, and this is Mud Boys. Let's go.
Today, working on this 2020 Polaris Sportsman. Not really working on, unless Thomas, then this is working on level. But we're gonna put some cubes on this brush guard. We're gonna wire them straight into the headlights. So every time I turn on the low beams, cubes are gonna come on. How do you feel about that?
I think it's gonna be a good project. Not working on it though, just installing upgrades.
Sure.
So we finished tightening the brackets in there. Hola amigos. There you go. Put it down. Every color of the rainbow, boy. Joe would be so excited. First try gets it.
I had
The
the
mechanic
I had
right
the
there.
right size right there.
Yeah, so ours will be pretty close to the same exact spot. Mine just stick out forward, yours won't. It'll be recessed, which is pretty cool. All right, we're finally done tightening the brackets. He did a great job. All right, now it's time to install the lights, which hopefully won't be as difficult. We still need to find the size for the bolt.
That's not difficult.
Look at them beauties.
Balls. Yeah, this is kind of miserable.
Yeah, I had to do it on my truck. It was hell. I think I might have put it in the socket and just used the socket to turn it, unless you got it.
Yes, but you gotta tighten it by hand first, Thomas. Come on, man.
Not necessarily.
Tighten. Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Here, I got it.
Yeah, because the socket doesn't apply pressure to the thread, so it won't catch. Damn, he's such a mechanic, so smart.
Alright. Hopefully all these bolts will go in nicely now.
All he's got to do is turn these, 4 of these for each light, 2 on each side, but he's got to feed it through the bracket and then find the hole. He should be good at finding the hole, and then he could just turn it in.
It's the mullet.
Yeah, the mullet finds the hole.
Yep. True fact. I read that somewhere.
All right, so we got 2 of the bolts. Oh, all 4? 3?
So one
3 out of
one
4.
more on it?
And then, yeah, here.
Is there a washer too?
We'll put it on the last bolt, and then we'll put on the second light. And then we gotta run some wire. Now we got all 4 hand tight on there. We can ratchet away.
At about the right spot.
Are you gonna aim it down the tiniest bit, or are you
That's
gonna keep
what
it
it
straight
is.
out?
No, it's kind of down.
You like it like that?
Yeah, why? You want it up?
Well, no, I just didn't know if you're putting straight out or a little down.
What? I'm confused what you're comparing anything to there. It doesn't... No, that's how it is.
Straight or down is what I'm saying, but you have it down. All right, yeah, it's fine. We got quad on the trailer for tomorrow's ride, but currently connecting the 2 lights together, and then we're gonna run the wiring to the battery harness.
No, we're gonna go
straight to the headlights, right?
So every time I put on the low beams, these nice cubes are gonna come on.
Indeed. So we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4 lights up at the same time, and then that light runs by itself. Yep, Joe's gonna be blacked out by 9 o'clock again.
At least we got the camper here.
Go get the Henny bottle.
You got feet, go get yourself.
Red to red, black to black, butt connector to the next set of wires.
Yeah, tell him to turn the music off.
John!
Yeah, I'm trying to wire things.
Turn it off! No more. No more music.
More music.
No.
Closer.
Which wires coming out of the headlight are negative and positive? We got a green and a brown wire. So we're gonna try to see which one.
Try to pop this clip off.
Which, because we gotta run the new wire in a little bit. Because the one that came with the cubes are a little short. But now we don't know which is positive and negative, because it's normally not green and brown, it's red and black. So you want to pop out your clip right here, so that way we can test the wires, hopefully.
Or not. Hey, buddy.
What's up, stepbro? What's up, champ? How's the winch, Junior? Oh, the winch is mint, brother. How's your tire? Mint, brother. With a new fucking tread, dude. I love it. I had to add some fix a flat, obviously. Dude, that didn't actually tear up too bad.
Yeah, it was only the side.
No, but like here, from him running on it.
Yeah, once we drive it through fucking...
All
Alright. It's not like...
You need another hand.
Shit fucking work.
Pole or
bulb. Does that sound as good as mine?
it's still caught here. That middle one has a little plastic lip, you see it?
Mine's yeah.
Riding?
Hmm?
What did they say at the dealer? Anything?
No, but I didn't tell you. So I pull up there, I'm like, yeah, you know, I got my quad. And he's like, alright, let's go check it out. I showed him it. And I was like, shit, I have all my toe straps in the back. Let me take them out, just to be safe. Forgot there was a 6-pack of Bud Light in there. Just fucking, I opened it up and like fucking 3 cans come out. And I was like, shit. Luckily, the guy was pretty cool. Dude, it reeked like fucking Bud Light in there too. Like 2 of them broke. That's how we roll.
Yo, Polaris. The fuck?
What, you done fine? Oh, he's just wearing it as
You just gotta cut that. Alright, pull it now.
not broken or anything. Whose wheels were where? Oh, those are Jacob's. I said the same thing.
How do you put the frame?
Green and brown. We gotta figure out which is positive and negative.
Cool. I mean, something.
So we ground our clamp,
They're not wired in yet.
turn on the lights, and we'll see.
What was this?
That's me putting in the harness.
So what else do you have to wire?
The speakers.
What do you mean?
So, see this bag? Yeah. That's got to go on.
Alright, so we'll pop this plastic off.
No. You see those plugs?
So John, the side showing power, that's positive, correct?
I have clips.
How much power is it
I
putting
have.
out?
Well, they're at my house.
10.5.
Huh? Oh, thank you. They're like not
So
not
green.
Lakers, I want them to look like white
So
stars.
green
Right.
and then
That one's green.
I have the tool
Yeah.
to pull these out too.
And hopefully they don't crisscross on the inside.
No, they're the same
no,
color.
it's the same all the way
Well, my
back.
pins are at home too.
Alright, so
The green's your
green is
positive.
But it's only 1,
So just
2, 3.
see if
have
we
a
can put
razor
this
blade?
fucking bulb back in.
Give me a flat.
no, you just fucking cut that black.
We'll put a flat head
No, I ain't gonna cut shit. I got that.
This is
But I'm gonna put this in and then do it off this here.
So our viewers of YouTube, our green wire is our positive wire for the 2020 Polaris Sportsman 570.
For every single Polaris Sportsman in the fucking world.
That has wires. Green is positive.
Cause some don't have wires.
Nah, it's a telekinesis.
It's Bluetooth.
Oh, what are you doing?
Lisa looks like no fucking you, John.
I gotta put the headlight back
Yeah, it's
in.
not this Polaris.
But the Can-Am's colored is pink. Purple.
I bet you this is easy to do on a Can-Am. If I had a 1000, I'd probably be able to put this headlight back in.
I pull it more this way because it's those two plastic notches that need to fall into a groove, right?
There's 3.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. And you just gotta get the top.
Yeah, but then
In my truck.
Like a normal one.
In my truck.
I bet Jacob has one.
In the bucket in the middle of my back seat. Around the outside, there's a bunch of handles. One of them, the red and yellow one is a flathead. Yeah, I broke the passenger or the driver's side back door handle. My bad.
just try not to break it.
Yeah. Oh, it's so close. What are you doing?
It just broke. Close it in like so. Ow. Don't close your finger in it. See how it's closed? Yeah.
So now the two positives are together and they need to do that for the negatives? No way.
So what I'm gonna do now is just to show you how it works. I'll shave this down because I don't need all this wire. Go like this, like this, or like this. All right. So low beams are on.
Low beams are on, no LEDs. Don't you need to be hooked to the power source? I don't think just touching metal creates power.
No, I was driving it. Listen. It'd be a sham if it doesn't work.
How's it
How you
going?
doing?
Coming back.
I told my husband if we still had his, we wouldn't have been married or even dating.
Well, there you go. Alright, let's clamp that in.
So now we got the positives and negatives connected.
Have to angle these yawns up a bit.
The LEDs are on. The clips worked. No splicing needed. Just running a little bit of extra wire to get the length from the LEDs. Snip off the excess. And they're connected. That's unbelievable.
What I could do is tuck some of this shit up in here.
Maybe we'll do this to my other two.
Good.
And freaking 6 lights in the front, that'd be pretty sick.
And then I'm gonna electrical tape that up.
That's beautiful.
Wanna run it in?
That is beautiful.
They don't seem bright enough.
Not really, but
Maybe it's
definitely-
because it's light out.
no, they're definitely not working correctly. Unless they're not on and it's just reflecting right now.
Nah, they're on.
Then we should've
Maybe start the engine. Or they're not getting full connection because the rubber's still... What was that?
Dead.
That was the battery being dead?
That'll work too. If we're gonna do that.
So yeah, that was definitely the problem, is that it wasn't getting enough power.
Is that what this is? Okay. So take this and go underneath.
Well,
Nice shot.
That way, so it's
our amazing electrician
Killed the battery.
killed the battery. But the LEDs did work for a minute. They definitely did work. So we had 4 lights up. No, the battery is dead. I got jumper cables in my truck if you want it.
definitely like that retail.
You don't jump a quad.
I don't know how it is.
I don't know how. Dude,
The battery's important.
yeah.
I have a jumper bob. I forgot.
So if anybody knows how to jumpstart a 20, oh, it's just bungee corded the cover
Yeah, I
on.
know, but I don't
We've
know
done
if
it
I can get
before. I think we did it with Andrews or something.
How's that going?
Perfect. A lot easier than I thought it was.
It's perfect.
So while Tyler's running the lights on the quad, Joe's over here installing these new speakers. Look at them beauties. They don't look
You
weird
wax
at
them
all.
too?
A little bit.
Wipe it off after you spray
No,
wax
you gotta
on
let
the
it
thing.
on there for a bit, boy. You gotta let it simmer.
Joe in this
that?
Honda. That's what I told you when we installed them, but it's how you, I think you gotta flip the brackets around.
No, they slide down.
Yeah.
Just gotta loosen.
Show the flicker. Alright. Look at that. And that is how you wire 2020 Sportsman Polaris headlights with no splicing.
Especially with no EPS or engine brake.
Just make sure you don't leave your battery on the entire install, otherwise it will die. But that is how you do it, folks.